Hello everyone. In this video we can solve one small question which may arise in any of the examinations. You will be given a code snippet like this and you will be asked to find out the output of the program. So in this question you will have to find out the content of the BX register after execution of all this instruction. So you will be debugging the program. You will be debugging the program. What you have to do in such case, try to execute step-by-step instructions. Try to execute step-by-step instructions. Now you see, first instruction is move si, 1020h. So what you will be doing in this, you will be loading the content into the SI register. So now what you can do, you just make one small note here. So for the first instruction, your SI register is equal to 1020, right? Now let us go to the next instruction. Next instruction is you are trying to put a word, okay, into a memory. See, you are trying to put a word into the memory. Word means 16-bit value into the memory, whose address is in the SI register. This is an example of an indirect addressing mode. Now, data has been put in the memory. Now, how the data has been put in the memory? In second step, data is inserted into memory. See, data inserted into memory. Now, how it is inserted into memory? Okay, what is the offset address? Offset address is in SI. So what is that? 1020. So in the offset address 1020, you get the lower byte of your word. What is the lower byte of your word? Lower byte of your word is 20, right? So first in 1020 location, 20 will come. And this is SI, right? This is SI, pointed by SI. In the next location 1021, okay, your upper byte of the word will come. This is the upper byte of the word. So upper byte of the word will come here. That is 30H. This is what happens in the second step. Okay. In the third step, see here, in the third step, you insert a counter into the CL register. So CL register is having the content 03, right? Okay. Now next, rotate left byte pointer SI plus 1. See, this is pointing to SI, right? So what is pointed SI plus 1? This is SI. Okay, this is SI. Okay, so what is this? This is SI plus 1, right? This is SI plus 1. So here instruction is rotate left byte pointer SI plus 1. What is the meaning of this? That means a byte corresponding to SI plus 1 is rotated left 3 times. Here one CL is missing, one CL is there, one CL has to be there here. right? So rotate left byte pointer SI plus 1, comma, CL means it will rotate a byte, okay, rotate a byte pointed by the offset address SI plus 1. So what is the offset address SI plus 1? Offset address SI plus 1 is 1021. A byte at 1021, what is a byte at 1021? So byte at the offset address 1021 is 30H. So what this instruction, the fourth instruction will do, the fourth instruction will rotate this content, rotate 30H, byte only. See, it is byte pointer. So that means it will take only byte at this address. Address is SI plus 1. It will rotate this byte 3 times to the left. 3 times to the left. Okay. So rotate, now in this instruction, rotate 30H. Okay. Only byte you are rotating. Okay. How many times? 3 times to the left. Now tell me what happens when you rotate 3 times to the left. So you try to put the binary equivalent. This is 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. Right? Okay. So now how you do it? Rotate 3 times. Okay. So when you rotate 2 times, what will happen? Right. So see, what happens really is rotate left means this here, right? So when you rotate left, what happens? These 3 bits will go here, right? Rotate left. So this will go here first, then this will, okay, then this will go here, this will go here, right? So what happens is, what I will do is, when you rotate left, okay, how do you do the rotate left? The first step, what is going to happen? Tell me, in the first rotation, right? So you will get 0 1 1 0, okay, 0 0 0 0, right? This 0 will go here. So next rotation, what you will get? 1 1 0 0 0 0, okay, 1 1 0 0, okay, 0 0 0 0, 1 2 3 4 5, okay. First rotation it is, just make a correction, you have to be very careful while doing this. First rotation you will get 0 1 1, okay, because this will go here, okay. So then you will get 0 0 0 0 0 is the first rotation, okay, first rotation. Second rotation, what will happen? Second rotation you will get 1 1 1 0, okay, because this 0 will come here, right? Okay, then 0 0 0 0, sorry, 1 1 0 0, okay, 1 1 0 0, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, you will get 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, okay. Now third rotation, what you will get? Third rotation, so what you will get is rotate left, okay. So now you will get 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this is what you get in third rotation. The third rotation you get this. So third rotation you see here, you get 1 0 0 0. So what will the content of the same memory location? After doing third location, you are rotating the memory content here, okay. So you are rotating memory content, that is 30H, the content of the memory location 1021, okay. So now after rotating, what you got? What is that something updated in the memory location 1021? The memory location in the offset address 1021 is updated with the, this is 8, right? 81H is updated. 81H is updated. Hope you are understanding this. 81H is updated in the memory location. Now done, that instruction is done. Okay, rotate left byte pointer si plus 1 comma cl is done. Okay, now you move bx comma 3020h. Okay, sorry, there is a small correction you have to do here. It is not 3020h because address, you don't know what is there in the address. So instead of that, just I will make a small change here, 1020h. Okay, so I will make it move bx comma 1020h, or I can just say move bx comma si, bx comma si. Okay, now it will be very clear for you, right? So what is there in now memory offset address in 1020? Okay, what you have still 20h. Okay, the lower byte. Then in 1021 you still have the data is changed, you rotated it by cl times, you have 81h here. Okay, now this data is moved to bx register. That means in bx register, okay, in bh and bl, in bl what will come? Lower byte will come. What is lower byte? Lower byte is 20h. Okay, and in bh higher byte will come. What is that higher byte? Higher byte is 81. Okay, so totally in bx register the content what you have is 8120h. This is the answer. This is the answer to this question. If you get this answer, I think you may get something around 4 marks. Don't lose these marks. These are the marks which can be earned easily, because programming I don't know how we will do, but at least these parts of the question you try to do something. Have you understood this? Okay, almost this type of questions will come from 2 to 3 marks or 3 to 4 marks sometimes. That's why I'm telling you that you practice these questions, this type of questions. Okay, have you understood this? So watch this small video without any delay. Exams are coming during next week.